Hey, there, fellow drivers. Are you ready to take your road safety to the next level? Today, we dive into the world of dash cams, the ultimate peace of mind for every journey. Whether it's capturing stunning scenery or protecting yourself in unexpected situations, the perfect dash cam is just waiting for you. Join me as we unveil our top picks for the best dash cams on the market, each packed with top-notch features, stunning video quality, and unbeatable reliability. Don't miss out. Hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing insights, and let's get started on this thrilling ride to find your new dash cam companion. Number 5. PRUVEEO 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam, your ultimate solution for comprehensive road safety. This innovative dash cam features 4 lenses that simultaneously record in stunning FHD 1080p, capturing the front, rear, left, and right views of your vehicle for a complete 360-degree perspective. With a built-in GPS logger, you can track your location and speed in real time, making it easier to document incidents for insurance claims. Plus, its quality night vision ensures clear recordings, even in low light. Enjoy the convenience of built-in Wi-Fi, allowing instant video sharing and downloading through a free mobile app on your smartphone. The time-lapse recording and parking mode provide memory efficiency without compromising on protection. Experience peace of mind with loop recording and crashed lock features that secure vital footage during emergencies. Easy to install and designed without a battery for added durability, the PRUVEEO dashcam is the perfect choice for anyone seeking the best in vehicle protection. Number 4. WOLFBOX i07 is a game-changer in the world of dashcams, perfect for anyone searching for the best dashcams. This innovative device boasts 3-channel recording, capturing stunning 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p HD footage simultaneously, ensuring you have comprehensive evidence in case of accidents. With an ultra-wide-angle lens and 6 infrared night vision LEDs, it provides exceptional clarity even in low-light conditions, offering peace of mind during night drives. Equipped with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, the WOLFBOX i07 enables precise tracking of your routes, speeds, and timestamps, making sharing your travels a breeze through the companion app. Plus, it includes multiple parking modes that deliver 24/7 protection, recording incidents even when you're away from your vehicle. Its Type-C power input and supercapacitor enhance reliability and durability, making it a smart investment. With 24-hour customer service and a 12-month assurance, the WOLFBOX i07 is not just a dash cam. It's your trustworthy driving companion that looks after your safety. Number 3. 70mm A810 4K dash cam is a game-changer in the world of vehicle safety. With true 4K video quality powered by the latest IMX678 sensor, this dash cam captures every detail with stunning clarity, even in challenging light. The dual HDR night vision ensures crystal-clear footage from both front and rear cameras, providing unmatched peace of mind during nighttime driving. Enhanced with smart app functionality, GPS tracking, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, the A810 keeps you informed about crucial driving conditions and location details. What sets this dash cam apart is its innovative 24/7 parking mode and AI motion detection, automatically recording any suspicious activity around your vehicle. Optional 4G support enhances security, allowing real-time remote access and notifications, while seamless loop recording guarantees you never miss a moment. With 70mm, you're not just investing in a dash cam, you're enhancing your driving experience with advanced technology and professional brand support, making it one of the best dash cams on the market today. Number 2. ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam, capture every moment on the road with unparalleled clarity. This state-of-the-art dash camera features 4K front recording at 30 frames per second and 1080p rear recording, ensuring every detail is caught. Powered by the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, it excels in low-light conditions, providing vivid colors and sharp imagery. With ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, you can download videos up to 20 megabytes per second directly to your device, ready to share on social media. The built-in GPS records your speed and location data, adding another layer of security to your recordings. Enjoy peace of mind with innovative features like 24/7 parking mode, G-sensor, motion detection, and emergency video lock. With a complimentary 128GB micro SD card and support for up to 1TB, the ROVE 2-4K is firmly positioned among the best dash cams for safety and convenience on your journeys. Capture life as it happens with the trust of ROVE. Number 1. YEECORE 4K 3-channel dash cam is at the forefront of vehicle safety, equipped with advanced features that make it a top contender among the best dash cams on the market. With its cutting-edge Sony Starvis 2 sensor and HDR function, this dash cam captures crystal clear 4K video from the front while recording 1080p quality for both the rear and interior cameras simultaneously. Its super night vision technology ensures breathtaking clarity in low-light conditions, enhancing your security at all hours. The built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS tracking simplify installation and operation, while providing vital data about your driving routes and speed. With 4 innovative parking modes, it seamlessly detects collisions and movements, recording crucial evidence when you need it most. Moreover, the built-in G-sensor locks the video in case of sudden impacts. Supported by a 64GB SD card and an easy installation process, the YEECORE dash cam offers reliability you can trust, backed by a 1-year assurance for peace of mind. Don't compromise on safety, experience the ultimate protection with the YEECORE 4K dash cam. In conclusion, investing in the best dash cams can provide invaluable peace of mind while driving, ensuring safety and recording crucial moments on the road. Whether you prioritize video quality, features, or budget, there's a perfect dash cam out there for everyone. We hope this guide helped you find the right option for your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share your thoughts.